Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a Q50 in, and I'm going to show you how to remove your armrest. You might want to do that just because yours is all blown out right here. So let's get to it. Okay, so just ignore all of this emptiness right here. Yours doesn't have to look like that. Open your armrest. There's going to be a little beauty trim cover. Just pop it up like that. And then you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Get your drill or your screwdriver. Screwdriver is definitely safer. And we're just going to unscrew all these. I don't know why they have different colored screws, but that one's way tighter. Let's see if this one isn't as tight. So maybe there's something with a black screw and a silver screw. So don't strip these. If you strip these, you're kind of screwed. So the reason I'm getting a screwdriver on this is because you have to press way harder. And there you go. Just unscrew it that way. Once you get all those out, that'll fall towards you, and your armrest is out. That is how you remove a armrest on a Q50.